Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account completely private. Now open up the Facebook app or facebook.com, and we're going to tap on the menu button at the bottom right, and then that gear icon at the top right to get into your settings. Within the settings, we can control how public or private your information is. So to do that, we're going to scroll down and we're going to do everything in audience and visibility. The first thing that we'll go to is how people find and contact you. And on here, it's, for instance, who can see your friends list. If this is set to public or friends, let's set this to only me. In addition to that, you can see if you scroll down, people with your email address or phone number. If you're okay finding you on Facebook, you can set it to possible connections, or you can switch this to only you, aka no one. Now, another big culprit is, do you want search engines like Google to be able to find and basically have your Facebook profile? If this is turned on, I would highly recommend turning that off. Next thing we're going to do is hit the back button and go to posts. Within posts, we're going to set the future posts on here. Instead of public, if it's set to public, you can set it to friends, or if you wanted to, you can choose specific friends if you want. I'm just going to leave it at friends. Now let's go through and limit the past posts as well. Hit view here, and it says basically all of the past posts will be limited. If they are public, they'll be set to only friends. So I'm going to hit limit past posts. But after you've done that, there are other things I would recommend doing. So let's go back out here. A big one is profile and tagging. Let's tap on that. And it says on here, who can post on your profile? If this is set to friends, you might not want friends randomly posting on your profile. I set this to only me. And you can see what others can see when friends post on your profile. Again, you can switch this to only me. Now go through this entire list. You can see other things about tagging and reviewing those posts. You're going to essentially set all of these to be as restrictive as possible. You can see only me and only me. Now let's go back out of here, and another one is followers and public content. If you do post public content, you can see certain things like who can see your followers on your profile. You might not want other people to see your followers, so I set this to only me. And then some of this other information like your public profile info, instead of public, you can set it to just friends. Now let's make sure that it is all private, and we can do so by just tapping on your profile. So go back to your profile here, and at the very top right, tap on those three dots, and you can see view as midway down. This will allow you to view your profile as if you were just randomly accessing the profile as a stranger. So when I hit view as, you can see it doesn't show anything except my profile picture, some bio information. If I go to reels, photos, etc., it doesn't show anything except, again, my cover profile photo and my profile photo. Make sure everything is as restrictive as possible on here just to double check it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.